Hi, so if you are using the online version of Word, in the past I've had you share with me your file. And so I was talking to some people and I've done some research, and there is a way for it to play just like if it was a video. So to do that, once you are in your presentation, you're going to go over here to File, and then usually if you had the downloaded version, you would have the word Export. But we're going to go to Share, which is what you went to before, and then you went to Share with People, and then you shared it with me. But I don't want you to do that. I want you to click on Embed, and then you can choose whichever size you want. It's not going to matter. And then select everything in this box that says Embed Code and hit copy it. So now when I go back to my assignment, you would, what you need to do, I can't show you exactly over here because I don't have that privilege, but if I go here, I can make it look like it. So when it comes up like this, it comes up and it says that it's a submission. What I need you to do is go here to the second one, which is link, and then I need you to paste the link in there, and you can put final project here and say attach. So now if I click preview, it will show me your PowerPoint. If you have any problems or questions, let me know. And if not, hope to see you soon.